Hi everyone, welcome back to another Trading 212 portfolio update. It's been about 4 or 5 weeks since my last update, so I thought it'd probably around about a good time to check in and just let you know how the portfolio has performed over the last month and just go through the stocks that I've got and any new stocks I'm planning on buying as well. So we'll get straight into it now, guys. So we can see the portfolio is currently at £3,172. So I'm up over 28% or £702, which is pretty good. It's taken a bit of a dip, which we'll look at shortly. It's been quite volatile over the last couple of weeks, but the main thing is we are still in the green on 2 of my 3 stocks. 1 stock performing really badly, 2 stocks performing well. So in the last week, we're slightly up, so 4% in the last week, which is quite good. And in the month as well, you can see the volatility over the last month. It's been quite a crazy few weeks. So in the last month, we're probably actually down overall. Down a couple of percent overall, but nothing too major. We're still, in the last 3 months as well, we're probably still up. I've took money out of this account since and put it into crypto, so you can't get a true representation. Probably still slightly down in the last 3 months, maybe, I'm not sure. But all in all, I'm doing well. I'm recording this video on the 30th of December. I won't get a chance to do it tomorrow, just New Year's Eve, a lot of things going on with family and stuff, so I'll probably release it tomorrow or New Year's Day. So if things change today or tomorrow, because the market's not open yet in America, so if things change, then so be it. But this is my portfolio as it stands now. So we'll get into the stocks now. Let's take a look at the first stock. So Apple, it's a stock that's been performing well. It was down yesterday at the close, but in the last week, they've been up 2%, which is pretty good as well. And in the last month, up almost 12%. They've really been performing well. They've had a couple of dips on the way, but the gains have really outweighed the dips. And then again, in the last 3 months, even better, 25%. They've reached their all-time high of 180. And I think they might even get to 185 at some point. Maybe not this year, but in the next probably couple of months, I can see them getting to 190 and then so on to 200. That's how much of a machine Apple is. So in regards to my investment, I'm up £401 with them, or 42.8%. I have 10 shares and the current investment value is just over £1,300. A long-term hold, again, I've said Apple, I've probably had these in my portfolio for a year now, and I expect the returns to be double what they are now this time next year, maybe more. So now to my worst performing stock. Again, it's been bad for a while now. Buying Nano Genomics. They've actually reached below $3 for the first time in a long time. They've not been to $3 since around a year ago. You can see they got all the way up to $15, and since then they've just sort of been crumbling. But again, I'm not too worried about these. These are a long-term hold. There was a penny stock a year ago, so I have faith in this company and what they're doing with the genomics side and the F.I.R.E machines and all the research that they're doing. So I'm down 52.25% or £243. But this is the long-term hold for me, and I'll probably will try and buy a few more now they've gone under the $3 mark. So that's Nano Genomics, ticker symbol BNGO. And then finally, again, a volatile stock, Tesla. They ended at the close yesterday down 0.27%, up actually 7.63% in the last week. And then the month they're actually down 4% from what they was 30 days ago, but we can see they do look like they're on a bit of a rise back up. They got actually down below $1,000 again, actually almost to the 800 mark, which they'd not seen for a few weeks. But I did expect a bit of a dip with Tesla after they gained from 700, the 700s all the way to $1,200 in the space of a month. It was an absolutely ridiculous few weeks for Tesla. They did dip down a bit, but as you can see by the sort of V curve, they're coming back up again, now trading at 1,085. With regards to my investments, just 2 shares owned at the moment, 1,600 in total. My return is 51% or £544. I was actually up around £900 at one point, but again we dipped. But the main thing is we're still in the green after the dip, so can't really hope want much more than that. I do think if they carry on the way they're growing in the next year, we could see a split again. I've heard a lot of rumours on Twitter and what for they're going to be having a split, 5 for 1, 10 for 1, I don't know. But I'll take it with a pinch of salt and just wait to see if that actually happens or not. And again, just keep hopefully watching this company grow, because I do feel like in the next 10 years or so, this company will be absolutely huge, bigger than they already are obviously now. So there was a couple of stocks I did have on a waiting list as well, which was Legal & General and BP. So BP, I want to try and get a few dividend sort of like UK stocks in the portfolio to get balanced out, cheaper ones as well. So £3 for a BP share. And then if we can find Legal and General, they're similar, just under £3 a share. So I'll be looking at adding these in the near future. Again, they've grown a decent bit of growth as well, 10% in the last year for Legal and General, and they do pay 2 dividends a year, and they're a company that I just generally like. So that is pretty much it for the portfolio update, guys. I'll probably check in with you in a couple of weeks on this and just to see how things have progressed in the new year. So again, if you're watching this after New Year, I hope you had a great New Year, and obviously let's hope that 2022 can be an even better year for investing. And on that note, take care. Bye.